Hello everyone. In today's video, we are going to build something very important in Pega Constellation, that is linking related cases and transferring data between cases. Okay, so without wasting time, let's begin. We already have these similar incidents data page. This data page is getting sourced by this report definition. So we need to present an UI to the business where we need to give those case IDs to the business where the incident type and the incident subtypes are basically same. And for that, we will be using this data page. So inside the incident case type data model, we create a new field and we name it as, let's say, similar incidents. What will be the field type? The field type will be query, something new in Constellation. And what's interesting is this query field type does not statically store any data. Instead, it will dynamically retrieve the data based on condition. And as I just showed, we already have a similar incidents data page. So the criteria is, say, the case that I'm creating, the incident type and the incident subtype, whatever value I have given, I want to see a similar case that is existing in the system where the values for the incident type and incident subtype are same as it is in the current case of mine. So this data page should retrieve me one such case where the incident type and the incident subtype are similar or same as with my current case. So for my case, or the case that I should be working, the incident type and the incident subtypes values won't be constant. This will be stored in the respective properties or fields, I should say. And the case ID should not matter to me, because of course the case IDs will be unique per case. My field is created. This should fetch me the similar incident record dynamically when I create the case. Now let me configure the view. Let me go to the step in the case type where we are linking similar incidents. Let me configure the view. Okay, in Constellation, configuring views are actually damn easy. I already have a field created to source my UI. And what are the columns that I want to display here? The case ID, the incident type and the incident subtype. Amazing. Yep, this is 0.01% of the effort that used to take in traditional section based approach, where we had to configure the table layout, source the table layout using some report definition or data page. This is time saving, no doubt. So I've configured the view. Now going to the second use case of ours. The second use case is basically parent to child data propagation. Under fulfillment stage, we are creating the shipment child case in the data model. And yeah, now going to the workflow. So in the incident case, we need to of course provide the shipment information. There we are collecting three parameters: the SKU, the shipment notes and the shipping service. To be specific, the we are storing this into a scalar property service name that I'll show you in a minute. And when we are creating the child shipment case, we want that service name, shipping service name information to be propagated from incident to this shipment case. Let us do that right now. Let me open the dev studio. We will be using, whenever we are propagating the data from one case to other case, this smart shape is usually used. And we also, to pass explicit parameters, we create this create case data transform, where notice one thing: this on the right hand side, the source is the parent case page. You can see the class is the incident class and this is the child case page. Now let us propagate the data point that we want to pass, which is, okay, first let me do the right side. Notice one thing: in incident class, the shipping service is a text based property which we are displaying as a drop down list. The UI control, you can see the drop down, fine. And in the child class, let's see whether, yeah, shipping service also exists in the child class, but if we open, the type is a single page. Now this is a text, this is a page. Text to page copy won't happen, so we need to do text to text. So as I was saying, this will work. This is a text property, so is this one, so this propagation will now work. The data transform is in the child class, saved it. Okay, now if I go back to the app studio again, I have already some incident cases. The incident type, opening the I1 case. Okay, the incident type is product faulty or unsafe, and the incident subtype is product broken. I'll choose these two values when I create the case for incident type and incident subtype, so that in the link similar incident step, this I1 case is displayed to me. So let's create an incident case, product faulty or unsafe, product broken. I'll just give random values in these screens to quickly go at the end. I don't really care for the values currently, doesn't really matter, whatever address it is. Incident type product faulty unsafe, subtype product broken, and I want a similar case to be displayed to me. I forgot when comes the link similar step, but anyways, so there are two such cases. I only checked this one, but anyways, there is this case as well where the incident type and the incident subtypes are of same value, and exactly that is also displayed to me. So our first use case is functioning correctly. Now I also want to see the second one, but before, when is the ship parcel coming? Let me see. Currently the case manager approval, after linking comes manager approval, and after that only comes the shipment or the ship parcel case. And in the ship parcel, so currently it is at this point. Okay, under fulfillment it will, okay, fine. After the dispatch, shipment, why the process payment case is created, what I have linked, let me see. Yeah, it should be the ship parcel case, not the process payment one. Then why it's getting created? This is the, have I saved this flow or not? I forgot. Let me do it now. Still the data transform is not getting visible from here. Let me create another case and see. And if I still use the same value, then three cases should get linked. I'll quickly go to the, yes, I am eligible for a refund. Yes, expected. All these three cases are having the same incident type and incident subtype, so getting shown to me. And after the approval step, I, this happens when you are practicing on a Pega challenge because you are not very familiar with the case life cycle and you keep on forgetting where is what step. Exactly, that is happening to me right now. After approval, why the fulfillment is skipped? Is it conditional? No, I don't see that. Is shipment required? Okay, there is a when rule. Okay, then either the resolution method, I think I have not provided value for this. The resolution method have to be, this has to be gift or replacement. Okay, fine. Then again, I need to create another case. I don't think I can go back. Anyways, does not matter. No, I'm expecting multiple resolution method not present in this screen, so ignoring it. Anything is, any address is fine. Yes, gift or replacement according to that when rule, and only then the ship parcel case will get created, I hope. Okay, why it's not taking my, okay, yes, I am eligible for a refund. Yes, there are multiple cases in the system where the incident type and the incident subtypes are exactly what I have entered for this case. After approval step comes the dispatch shipment option, schedule delivery for example, and this should get propagated to the shipment ship parcel case as well. The ship parcel case is created finally, and yes, the shipment service is scheduled delivery. Exactly what we have entered for the incident case. So this is a real enterprise workflow pattern. Now to summarize what we learned so far, how query files create dynamic relationships, similarly what we used to achieve using a table layout, so getting sourced by data page RD. Back in the traditional section based approach, how we are propagating data between parent to child using data transforms. And we also saw how constellation applications are combining the reusable UI, dynamic data retrieval, workflow automation to create smarter enterprise applications. Now, thanks for watching. In the next video, we will explore more on Constellation UI. Thank you.